everybody, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I will be sharing my coronavirus experience with all of you and along with my family members' experiences, what helped us fight it, and our coronavirus survival kit. So let's get started. So 15-16 days पहले my father was first infected with the coronavirus. उनको काफ़ी डाउन फील हो रहा था. He was feeling very tired and he had around 99 degrees कुछ फीवर था. तो मतलब एकदम बहुत लाइट, एकदम नॉर्मल टायर्ड जो होता है एकदम वैसा फील हो रहा था, लेकिन थोड़ा हल्का हल्का कफ भी हो रहा था. तो उसके पहले वाले दिन ऑल ऑफ अस वेंट आउट ऑल्सो. सो वी थॉट कि वी आर टायर्ड या ही इज़ टायर्ड, इसलिए ऐसे करके हो रहा होगा. एंड दैट इज़ वाई we asked him to take rest and we gave him gargle water and hot water to drink so that the throat clears up a little. On the first day this was his only symptom. By the second day he started coughing a little more, so we realized ki maybe it's the coronavirus, but we were not sure because it was just एकदम normal जो cough होता है, एकदम normal सर्दी जो होता है वैसा टाइप का था. तो हम लोग श्योर नहीं थे बिल्कुल. एंड बट वी ऑब्वियसली क्वारंटीन्ड हिम एंड ही वाज इन अ सेपरेट रूम एंड एवरीथिंग. लेकिन we were going there to give him stuff. Everything was happening. Now on the third and the fourth day it got really worse, and given my father as a person or a patient, even if he has fever, it is very rare. So we were थोड़ा tensed कि हाँ मतलब कुछ तो something is wrong with him because he was not eating properly. He was also vomiting at times and he also faced some gastric issues. So there were a lot of things actually happening all together in his body. Now whatever problems he was facing, the most important was the cough was मतलब it was going on कब से, बहुत time से it was going on. मतलब I'm talking about 1 week. Now after 1 week constantly temperature भी आ रहा था, तो we were really tensed and we got him tested. And after we got him tested, we also got his blood test done, where if you see the CPR and if you get your antibody test, you can actually know whether you have the coronavirus without the actual test. तो हमें hint लग गया था कि हाँ मतलब obviously उनको है coronavirus, and हमें भी है because all of us showed symptoms in the following days. But then after 2-3 days when we actually started checking our temperatures also, तब हमें पता चला कि हाँ हमें भी फीवर है. मतलब मम्मा एंड I also have a sister, a younger one, but she did not show any symptoms और उसको कुछ भी प्रॉब्लम नहीं हुआ था बिल्कुल भी. मतलब she did not show any kind of symptoms. She did not even have fever and she was not even coughing. कुछ नहीं हुआ था, ठीक है. तो मुझे, मेरी मम्मा को और मेरे पापा को. एंड देन वी वर रियली स्कैर्ड अबाउट माई ग्रैंडफादर बिकॉज ही इज़ 80 years old. So loose motion is also a symptom of the coronavirus, but like what I noticed is all of us showed different symptoms. मतलब मम्मा के symptoms अलग थे, मेरे symptoms अलग थे, पापा के symptoms अलग थे, and मेरी sister के भी symptoms अलग थे जब उसको हुआ. तो all of us were एकदम बिल्कुल differently acting to the same that was happening to us. So first tell you about the treatment that we were doing. Now we also called a doctor home to get us tested कि क्या problem हो रहा है या क्या है. And he also told us कि मतलब he was not sure, he was just waiting for he was asking us to wait for 3 days या 2-3 दिन रुकने बोल रहे थे कि हाँ before you actually get COVID tested please 2-3 दिन रुको. So what he gave us was vitamin D capsules, vitamin C capsules, vitamin D capsules, and there's this A to Z gold बोल के एक मेडिसिन होता है मल्टीग्रेन विटामिन टाइप का. उसके बाद there's this Zincovite बोल के एक है. We had Calpol when we had fever. उसके बाद gargle and steam were एकदम must, and gargle was with some gargle betadine और हेक्साडाइन ऐसा कुछ था. उसके अलावा there was nothing as such that we were taking, but I can vouch for steam and gargle. Both of them were very helpful. ये दोनों की वजह से काफ़ी हेल्प मिला हमें because हमारा throat, like you can see, it is not clear and एकदम फाइन अभी तक, but yes it is better and it helped us at least talk. बहुत थकान भी होती है, मतलब ऐसे you cannot walk or talk for a very long period of time. सो दीज थिंग्स के लिए स्टीम, गार्गल एंड हॉट वाटर विद लेमन, जो नींबू का रस होता है वो, which is like 1 big glass of hot water and 1 whole lemon in that glass, and this is only for 1 person, so it is really helpful. Also there is one more thing which is just neembu ka ras and kala namak on that is also super helpful. Both of these helped us a lot with our cough and our cold, with our throats actually. So let's get to the symptoms part individually. So just a fact, I am a 20-year-old. मेरी जो younger sister है, she is 14. मेरी mama is 49 years old and मेरे पापा is 50 years old. So we are all of different age groups and we took we showed different symptoms and we took different times for recovery also. तो मेरा जो symptoms था, I completely lost my taste and my smell. It was so bad. I hope it never ever happens to anybody, because losing your taste and your smell is the worst thing ever, and that is one thing we actually take for granted. मतलब when I actually could not, कुछ भी taste नहीं आ रहा था, तो बहुत ख़राब लग रहा था. You did not want to eat anything at all. So it was that bad. And also you get breathless at times because you can't talk for a very long period of time. तो मेरे को ये सब symptoms हो रहे थे, and I also temperature ऐसे 99-100 करके. And yes, these were the only symptoms. I lost my appetite थोड़ा काफ़ी, मतलब I wasn't feeling like eating anything. तो feverish था, लेकिन I was feeling very tired at all times. I did not want to get out of bed at all. तो ये सब चीज़ तो था ही, बट मेरा एंड मेरी जो सिस्टर है who is 14 years old, हम लोग दोनों का काफ़ी सिमिलर सिम्टम्स था according to if we compare it with my parents. And one more thing, I had severe headaches and it was like as if मेरे eyes के ऊपर कोई कुछ रख चुका है, तो it was really painful for my eyes. I don't know why, but headache और eye pain बहुत ज़्यादा था for me especially, and my body was aching continuously. These two were mainly happening at all days. तो ये सब कुछ मेरी बहन को भी था, but मेरे को सर्दी और ज़ुकाम एज इन खांसी बहुत ज़्यादा था. मेरी बहन को उतना नहीं हुआ ये सब कुछ भी, but I had a lot of coughing going on, my throat was aching. All of this was happening to me and I had mild fever for the first few days and then it went away. My sister, 2 specific symptoms were the conjunctivitis and loose motions. ये 2 सिम्टम उसके हुआ था जो हमारे किसी के भी नहीं हुआ. मतलब मेरे पापा को भी थोड़ा लूज मोशन हुआ था स्टार्टिंग में, लेकिन हम लोग तीनों में से और किसी को कंजंक्टिवाइटिस तो बिल्कुल भी नहीं हुआ. Now moving to my dad's, he had acute gastric problems. He also had loose motions. He was also constantly vomiting. He had fever. He had fatigue, एकदम acute, extreme tiredness, mild fever और cough, ज़ुकाम, ये सब कुछ था उनको. एंड मेरी मम्मा को भी बहुत ज़्यादा बॉडी एक, हेडेक, सब कुछ हुआ. गैस्ट्रिक प्रॉब्लम भी बहुत ज़्यादा हुआ. आई थिंक इट हैपन्स इन माइल्डली जो एज्ड लोग होते हैं, जो जैसे 50 अबव ऐसे टाइप के लोगों को ज़्यादा होता है. इसलिए ऐसा ही होता है. और एक बात है कि देर इज़ नो स्पेसिफिक मेडिसिन फॉर एनी ऑफ दिस. यू जस्ट कीप टेकिंग मल्टीविटामिन्स एंड मल्टीग्रेन, ऑल ऑफ दिस, विटामिन बी, विटामिन डी, विटामिन सी, यही सब लेते रहते हैं. बट देर इज़ नो स्पेसिफिक मेडिकेशन एंड दैट इज़ वेरी इरिटेटिंग एंड फ्रस्ट्रेटिंग एट दैट पॉइंट, बिकॉज you do not know if you're taking this will help you heal overall. ऐसा कुछ तुरंत बिल्कुल कोई इलाज नहीं होता वैसा. तो yes, it was very difficult for all of us, and right now all of us are recovering. We are still recovering because we have extreme fatigue and extreme tiredness abhi bhi, and we do not have a temperature anymore and we are fighting the coronavirus. मतलब अब फाइट हो चुका है हमारे से. माई सिस्टर एंड माई डैड, दे आर स्टिल रिकवरिंग बिकॉज दे हैव कफ, काफ़ी टायर्डनेस भी है. तो यही सब सिम्टम्स थे हम लोग सबके इंडिविजुअली ऑफ डिफरेंट एज ग्रुप्स. एंड नाउ लेट मी टेल यू वन लास्ट वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट थिंग, विच इज़ द कोरोना वायरस सर्वाइवल किट फॉर यू इफ़ यू आर in quarantine or if you are having symptoms or if you are facing or fighting the coronavirus. So number 1 is the thermometer. अब जो वो जो इलेक्ट्रिक वाला थर्मामीटर होता है जो गन वाला, वो भी बहुत अच्छा है। मतलब क्या हुआ था कि हम लोग इतने सारे लोगों को संग में हो गया था, तो हम लोग को टेस्ट करने के लिए, चेक करने के लिए, वी नीडेड टू चेक द टेम्परेचर्स एकदम ऑल टुगेदर एंड इट वॉज वेरी यूजफुल. So that is something I recommend. Number 2 is the oximeter to check your blood count या pulse rate जो होता है, वो दोनों के लिए बहुत important है. And the accurate या accurate नहीं भी तो मतलब average जो समझ लो, it should be in the late 90s for everybody. Okay. For older people it can range from 95 to 97, ऐसा हो सकता है, it's possible. बट द नॉर्मल रेंज होता है 98, 99, 100 ऐसा ही होता है फॉर एवरी एज ग्रुप. द नेक्स्ट इज कैलपॉल और P650 और पैरासीटामॉल. दीज आर वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट. मतलब इनमें से कोई भी, एनीथिंग दैट वर्क्स आउट फॉर यू. So this is something that you will require because mild fever जो होता है, you won't feel the mild fever. It will look like just एकदम normal average fever जैसा होता है, but it is so tiring. It will soak up your body. It will drain your energy a lot. तो इससे बेटर है कि आप पहले ही पैरासीटामॉल या P650. और इसमें रेस्ट बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट होता है, तो प्लीज़ ट्राई टू टेक केयर ऑफ़ योर सेल्फ एंड रेस्ट. बिकॉज क्या होता है कि व्हेन यू आर फेसिंग समथिंग लाइक दिस एट होम एंड सबको हुआ है, तो देर इज़ नो बडी हु कैन कम आउटसाइड का अंदर, राइट. तो आपको यूटेंसिल्स वॉश करना, घर को क्लीन करना, सब कुछ आपको ही करना होगा, राइट. तो फिर आपको अपने आप को फिट भी रखना है, एक्टिव भी रखना है, लेकिन रेस्ट बहुत ज़रूरी है. बिकॉज इफ़ यू सी योर सेल्फ वर्किंग फॉर मोर देन एन आवर और सो, तो आपको तुरंत फील होने लग जाएगा कि और तबीयत इज़ डिटोरिएटिंग एकदम अचानक से. सो दैट इज़ नॉट समथिंग यू वॉन्ट, राइट. सो टेक केयर ऑफ दैट. And next thing I would recommend is a cough syrup. Like मेरे को नाम तो बिल्कुल नहीं याद आ रहा है, बट कोई भी कफ सिरप आप रख लो जिससे आपको नींद भी आ जाएगा एंड आपका कफ भी थोड़ा कंट्रोल में रहेगा, राइट. So steam, gargle, both of them are really important. Please try to understand the importance of it. It will help you and your throat a lot, even if you don't understand. Gargle, steam and hot water with lemon. These three things are not there anywhere mentioned या कुछ, लेकिन these are the things that can actually help you the most. And last but not the least, please be mentally fine. Do not panic because हमारे घर पे काफ़ी मतलब ऐसे non panicky लोग, except for my mother. मतलब she is a little she gets tensed up in situations like these sometimes, but obviously this is a situation that has never happened to any of us. तो हम लोग भी काफ़ी न्यू थे इसके लिए. एंड yes, so mentally अच्छा होना, फिट होना इज़ वेरी इम्पॉर्टेंट. बट माई फादर जिनको सबसे पहले हुआ, he was also very mentally fine and he was also trying to affirm himself कि हाँ सब कुछ ठीक हो रहा है, nothing is happening, nothing wrong is happening, ये सब. and try and do some yoga, meditation if that is possible for you. ये सब चीज़ करना बहुत अच्छा रहेगा. And don't panic, please. Even if you're not getting yourself tested, it's fine because you know it. When you have the coronavirus, you know it. Take care of yourself, stay at home. Please don't get exposed to a virus like this because it sucks. It absolutely sucks. It was a horrible journey, but for me it was very easier and more comfortable compared to anybody out there because my parents made it very easy for me and they literally made me sail through it because I am very immune to, I have a very low immunity, so I was the most vulnerable one. लेकिन जो भी हुआ अभी I am fine and everybody is fine at home, so that's great. But take care of yourself and I'll see you next time. Like, share, comment and subscribe and let me know your tips if you have any. Bye.